All right. It's your boy PFS Tib from Deep South Trading LLC. All right, gang. This video is for your education and entertainment purposes only. It's my journey of trading. So I passed an Apex account. This is the second one, and it's been a while since I've passed. So I've had to do a lot of soul searching. Got me a coach. Things seem to be looking on the upswing. I've been putting in a lot of screen time and just doing what I needed to do to pass this thing. So I passed a 25K on the 27th of April. If I'm not mistaken, that was 7 days. So really excited about that. Got my PA account set up. I've been trading it since. So I'm shooting for a target of about $200 a day. I'm going to go up to $300 next week. Right now you can see I'm at 26,497.48. So once kind of go over my strategy, just let y'all know where I've landed, what I've been involved in, so, and what I've evolved to. I got in some trades this morning. I've been looking at other markets besides the ES. I like NQ. I've been looking at some crude, some gold. Just trying to decide on a second market because ES has just been ranging so much that I really would like to get a second market in here. But I'm not sure yet which one I'm going to do. That's still up for debate. I do like the NASDAQ. NASDAQ can get away from you sometimes, so we'll see. I think I ended up the day around 277, if I'm not mistaken. Let's see what it was. Oh, 294. Yeah, 294.10. So you can see I paid a lot of commissions. I mean, I had to dig my way out of a hole, so I was just taking short trades, making sure I had a pretty big drawdown. So I was just taking some profit, boom, in and out, just trying to whittle it down. So. But I'm going to show you the trades I took on NASDAQ. I took some on crude today. Let's see. I traded crude, S&P 500, RTY. Let me bring this over here. So the RTY ended up about 115 to the good. Crude, 357. Really like the crude trades. And I like it because you can trade it early. And that works for me. I like to catch it. Kind of early. I caught most of my stuff right before they opened, and after they opened, caught a really good trade. Caught a long from 70.66 to 85, right at 20 ticks. ES was actually, I did not do good on ES today at all. I mean, I was down. Like ES, I was negative $1,000 on it. So if it wouldn't have been for NQ, catching me back up, I made $8.79 on NQ. I mean, I just don't know. Me and ES just couldn't get it together today. So I think I pushed it too hard. But anyhow, I'm just going to go over a few of my NQ trades just to show you what I'm doing. So I'm still trading with my moving averages. I still trade with knobs. So this is the chart that I normally just keep scrunched up, just to kind of look for structure. I've added a swing indicator. I've heard somebody talk about it. And then I seen Matt had this higher high, lower highs indicator on. So I may take the swing off. We'll see. I do like it on there. I'm still using the ADX. And then what I've done is I put the ATR. And I have it set, if I'm not mistaken, to 1 bar. Because I want to see what the average true range of each bar is. That way to see if I need to increase or I can decrease my stop. Yeah, I got it set to one bar. So I've put a line at 5 and 10. So as long as, if I'm below this one, I know that if I go with a 5-point stop, I'm okay. All right. If it's in between here, then I need to go with at least a 10-point stop. You can see some of the trades I took here. I got in this short before the market opened. I think it was 904 right here, and we did nothing. I mean, we immediately, basically made a double bottom and boom, shot up. You know, we had a lower high here, then we went up. Well, here I could see, you know, market more than likely was probably going to go up some. So we opened up here. I have my chart set to Eastern time, as you can see. I actually had something I was tending to. I was not able to get in, which I should have got in on this bar around 13,146, but I wasn't able to. So I got in. I didn't get in till here, which I should have been at the top of that bar. So I was a little late on my entry, but as you can see, I had my stop pretty tight. You can see where I kept getting stopped out. I was trailing. I just couldn't take this drawdown from 55 to 49. I couldn't go, because normally I have my stop at 5 points or the 20. The 20 was a little lower. You can see SD1 here. Okay. Got our VWAP down here. And I mean, we just took off, and I just kept getting in, getting some points and moving, getting points and moving. You can see I entered here, got out around here, which is a good trade. We came back, we broke this high here. I got back in, and then I was done by this time. This was really a good trade because I like it when we pull back to the 20, and then I could have got long here at 232.50, and we went up to 277. So it was a good 45-point move I could have got in. We never came back to the 50 for me to trade because I do like 50 of moving average rejects, but I mean, today was just one of those days it was trending. I should have made about $1,800 today instead of the $294 I made. So, because I mean, you don't get many days like this. I mean, this is pretty epic. But I got a little sidetrack at the open, started chasing. Because like I said, I had a unexpected conversation at the open, lasted a few minutes, and then I started chasing, which was that was my fault. I still get a little antsy. So I've added this little 45 EMA also. I do like watching it. A lot of times when we get a pullback to the 50, it works out good. Today it wasn't so good. At least not on NQ. Some other markets it'll work really well on. I've been watching RTY. Also, RTY didn't act its normal self today. You can see it was kind of more or less range bound in here. Now ES was good. Like I said, I don't understand why. I just got chopped up on it. I took a couple of pre-market trades here. Thought we was gonna break, but it didn't. It came back, and then I just kept getting stopped out. Then I got in this area here, chopped me up. This little area, which is something I'm still trying to work on. I mean, if I'd have just kept my stop below here, it would have worked out. We came back, a nice pullback here. This would have been a great entry at 26. I mean, ride that thing up to 40. You know, I mean, we never know where it's going to go, so I can't really say ride it up to what, but I don't really look at targets. I just trail, so I'll have multiple entries, you know, here, come back, get in, and so forth. Let's take a look at crude this morning. I can show you how it did. Most of my trades come off the 1 minute chart. So, alright, so crude opened up at 9 o'clock our time. And I mean, this right here, this bar here, I did take a long, got a good trade off here. So based on my strategy, once we kind of, the 8 and the 20 fanned out a little bit, go long here. Boom. You know, nice little pullback, go long here. And I mean, you just kept going up. I mean, you had some good trades here. This was 71.49, 76. That was almost 30 ticks. But quite a few good trades. Anyhow, it was a good overall day. Like I said, I did get quite a bit of drawdown. I did recover. I don't like having to play catch up, so we're gonna try not to get that far behind again in our trading. And I will keep you guys updated. So hopefully the next post I make, I would like to do show me getting a payout from Apex. So we'll see. Well, all right, gang. Y'all have a good one. Everybody trade safe.